Here goes nothing. 3, 2, 1. Woo! Yes! Woo! Thank you! Thank you, thank you. All right. GoPro mount does not stay in the floating GoPro thing when you jump from 30 feet up. Good morning, everyone. We are off on an adventure today. We are gonna go try and find some waterfalls. And we're hopefully gonna go to like 3 waterfalls with our couple little kids. Get to show you what it's like to try and do some waterfall adventures with the little guys. So, on to our awesome driver, Komang, who has been driving us around Bali the entire time we've been here. And like a 2-hour car ride. So, we're gonna time lapse this and we'll see you in a little bit. So how was that car ride for everyone?
Wow.
Wow.
None of us ever get car sick. That was a close call.
Yeah, yep.
Really close.
Yeah, we all like super, super cool drive, amazingly pretty, but we all were like getting a little queasy, almost lost it getting up here. But Hartley's asleep on the table, we're getting food, and we're gonna go check out our first waterfall, and it will be awesome and well worth it. Okay, so on to the Aling Aling waterfall. I'm not sure who got the better deal. Alex carrying the camera bag and the baby, or me carrying the heavy kid and the backpack. But we're off like a herd of turtles, 15-minute walk or so to get to the waterfall. Are you with us?
Yep.
Sweet, what's your name?
My name's Gray. What's your
Gray?
name?
Chris.
Chris.
Nice to meet you.
Alex. What's your name?
Colson.
Colson.
Hartley. Hartley.
Hartley.
Are you styly? Oh, look at that styly kid.
You kind of look like Top Gun. Chris is incapable of packing light.
No, it's called bringing adequate camera gear to document our adventures. To the left, whoop. That way. Cruising down the trail. So far, I think we got to go downhill a little ways, but definitely can hear a waterfall, can hear people screaming and hootering and hollering. Sounds like fun. I don't believe that building codes exist here, so the stairs are definitely not a standard rise over run by any stretch of means. He's going for a jumble fruit. Jumble fruit.
Yeah.
This is a fruit. Does it have seeds in it? Yep. Oh,
Just eat like candy.
I'll go for the one that I just dropped in the dirt.
Don't need to see it.
It's tasty. It's good, but it definitely dries your mouth out. Hey, that's our driver. He's pretty much the bomb. Whoa! Oh my God, that looks awesome. I don't know if I caught that, but we just saw someone go down the slide. Yeah. Who looks amazing. Wow, let's see how badly I splat on a backflip. Woo! 1, 2, 3. Woo! That was fun. Okay, so going to Rally the slide. This is definitely looks kind of intense. Slash kind of awesome. So. It's all smooth. Hands like this. You ready? Woo. Yep. Send it. Woo. That was fun. There's like one little bump that I got my butt on. But other than that, that was awesome. Alrighty, so that first jump, 5 meters, 10-meter jump right down there. Below that's a 15. This is awesome. Looks like Alex is coming down here with the Hartley bird. Okay, 10 meter, here we go. It's
Over there.
Right down there through those bushes. And that dude's gonna go do it. I think I'm gonna go jump in after him. So, yeah, going for the 10 meter. Whoop. Thank you. All right. GoPro mount does not stay in the floating GoPro thing when you jump from 30 feet up. We got it back. Thank you. Woo! So the guides are like way worth their money in gold. They're hanging with the two boys and Liesel. It's awesome. You're gonna jump, right?
Yep.
You can do it. You're on film. You're in the camera. You're committed now.
I am committed.
Woo! Uh-oh! Hey, buddy. We give him a big high five. Aww. Are you having fun? We're all good. Hey, you. Got that on video.
Yep. Slippery right here.
So the guides are awesome. Our guide has Hartley on his back with the fishing net, catching little fish out here.
That is the cutest thing. Like,
And he's been having an absolute blast with them.
I got her there, right on the edge.
We're gonna go find another really pretty waterfall, and then we'll start going home. And then we're gonna stop at a temple and a golf course. And hey, look, there's your brother. Oh yeah. Alrighty, so we're here at the Aling Aling waterfall. The steps down to it are a scotch bit sketchy, but when I turn the camera around, it is beautiful, phenomenal, amazingness. Hopefully you can see the steps and the sketchiness that Alex is doing. Right there, boom. And this is what the waterfall looks like. Alrighty, that thing behind us, Aling Aling Waterfall, is wonderful. Yeah, you have, oh, that's slimy fingers in my, no, okay, Mom's coming down so we can take some fun pictures. This is what they look like. Has squawky pants back there. Littles has Mom's flower.
You're eating it.
I'm sure it's not toxic. Well, I don't know. We are in the jungle. Anyways, this place, well worth the 125,000. What's that? Me? I might have tripped. How'd you like the sexy leaves over my face? Anyways. Well worth the 125,000. I cannot recommend this as enough. The waterfall up there, beautiful. The waterfalls down there, way fun to jump off of. I think we're gonna skip the other waterfall that we were planning on going to because we spent so much time here because it was so much fun. And we're gonna go hit the temple, and this has been more than a success. Definitely worth the 2-hour drive through the windy mountain road that got almost all of us car sick. Gotta watch where I'm going so I don't face plant. Back to the car and take a nap? Yeah. All right, kid, one of these days you're gonna have to learn to walk these on your own. You're heavy. You are what? You're not heavy? Are you heavy? Oh gosh. The stairs back up.
It's even labeled.
Tired, baby. Alright, you wouldn't recognize it, but same day as Waterfalls, we are here at Temple Baraton, and brought some nice clothes, gonna go get some good pictures. Sun just set, so we got nice soft lighting. Gotta buy a ticket. Look how cute you are, you two. Group hugs. So this is like a beautiful, calm area. A couple guys like tripod set up, taking some nice pictures, and then we're just like the roaming band of disaster. Comes like barreling in, and kids are like, ah! And yeah. So definitely apologize to a couple of those guys. We're like, sorry to disturb your nice photo sesh, but anyways, I think we may have gotten a couple pictures. We have, as I said, roaming band of disaster. Just like, too much energy. This is what trying to do a photo session at a beautiful temple with toddlers looks like. Don't go back there, Hartley.
They find a chair and push it around.
It's like